How to create an MEXC account. Sign up MEXC tutorial with referral code mexc-ytb. If you're interested in cryptocurrency trading, MEXC is a great exchange to get started. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to create your MEXC account, ensuring you're set up quickly and securely. By using my referral code mexc-ytb when signing up, you'll get additional benefits as well. Step-by-step guide to creating an MEXC account. Visit the MEXC website or app. Head to the MEXC website or download the MEXC app on your smartphone for an optimized experience. Click on Sign Up or Register at the home screen. Find the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Enter your details. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Be sure to use a strong password for added account security. Apply referral code. When prompted, enter mexc-ytb as your referral code. This can help you gain potential bonuses or incentives for using a referral upon registration. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from MEXC. Click the link to verify your account. This step is important to secure your account and access all MEXC features. Complete KYC, optional but recommended. For added security and access to more trading options, consider completing the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process. Start trading. Once verified, you're ready to explore MEXC's various trading options and begin your crypto journey. Don't miss out on MEXC's special offers and perks for new users. Sign up now with the referral code mexc-ytb to get started. Right finger click the link in the description or comments to sign up now and start your trading journey on MEX. Right finger click the link in the description or comments to sign up now and start your trading